So after many years, the people in the north said, Yoweri Museveni Maber, NRM Maber, Apoyo Ruak, May Northern Uganda for Queer Maber this time. Thank you so much. And this was through persuasion, not through imposition. So this was the mistake, mistake number one of Idi Amin. To ashame the devil.
Wano go rekain wekle wiju makchatan.
The devil who was operating in people like Idi Amin.
En chatan maono tiu kidano chala min gini.
Amin made many mistakes.
Amin utimbala Paul.
First of all, he imposed himself on us as a leader.
Me achel uridete te ni bedla tela wa kunno wano degi.
I was in the president's office that time.
Karenu no anati office pala dir lobo.
As a research assistant.
Ano no an la konko la kwed.
And Amin used to come and we would talk there outside the office.
Amin no wera kenyo bino chung waho chiwa winyu loke bene.
When he would be coming from meeting your bote.
Ono bino no a karwate ki president Bore.
And we were busy with serious programs. We had, of course, had differences with Obote, but this was now, we were trying to manage those differences.
Wano no watiga tiu teacher Paul, karipedu no kinemo kene tamo perwate ki Obore, ento no watiga tote meneno ni olo winyo betie kinwa.
We were busy with East African integration.
No wamiro lobome Africa matung kunyao guripe.
And busy with the liberation of the whole of Africa. Because remember that time, many of these countries were still under colonial rule.
Ono bene watika tute ni loja chonya pamuni utara a oki Africa. Wiumiro poni kar eno no polo Africa furu no gite loj pamuni.
Mozambique, Angola, Zimbabwe, South Africa, all were still under white minority rule.
En lobo eguni weng magi kwano gini ono mune futika telogi.
And we were busy with all that.
Lok eguni aye ono wano jin ye komwa.
And as youth, we were trying to move people like Obote, like Kenyatta, like Mwalimu Nyerere, like Kaunda, to move on those fronts, liberation and integration.
Don wan machalo buli kar enone. No watika deo lutela magu teki nyimwa chalo Bore Kenneth Kaunda Nyerere gi wek gen bene wo ripching wek lobome Africa wen onong lodge ken.
Then on a Monday 25th, when we were going to work, we want to go to work, there is some problem.
Doin in the period beach me do ma chel eni mwa pier beer we chelle. No atika yope me cher kati chiki waini permoni tie pay cheta teach.
I was staying in Chireka, the housing justice there.
Ano no aberi kireka ono ori mogoma party kunu.
So we sat in the houses, and then at around 3, they announced that Amin had become president of Uganda.
Don wano no wati kenyu eni kireka cha bungwen mo tieno wando winyu lokni Amina edon tila tela manyen me Uganda.
So I got in a car and went, we called our group of student leaders.
Donye mutaha, agoro luwara maono wan lutien kwan kachel kwetki.
And went to Bugorobi.
Chiwa chero Bugolobi.
In the house of Yona Kanyomozi.
Bugolobi wachere ganga Yona Kanyomozi.
And we said we are not going to accept Amin.
Wamoko tamwala wachel ni kari ningo. Pe wabiye ni Amina ye la tela wa.
You Museveni, you go, and we start the resistance against Amin.
Dong an kachoke wani uchwala ni andong Mira tel wi joma bicha o jemo e
So,
kom loj pa Amin.
The following day, the 26th of January, I went to the bank, got money, and we left with the 4 others, on the 27th to enter Tanzania.
O ruone chot nendo piri wa bichel achere bank agamu chene moma nok nendo piri wa biro atugi donyo o i Tanzania chot.
Not Chente Manok, I had Chente Madit.
La diro wa chini agamu chene madit.
So, Amin never ruled me. He ruled me only for a few hours of 25 and the whole of 26. That was the end. I was never ruled by Idi Amin.
Do Amit wun ma gor kanyo niango ni anger Amin po beru la tela na. Kao beru la tela jo tela wia. Ni kar mo mano nok chawa mano nok. Ni ndo piri wa bich kidong ni ndo piri wa bichel. Ni ndo piri wa beru no anda pegete lo chamin.
So the first mistake of Amin is to impose himself on us. Who was Idi Amin to impose himself on us?
Pero pa Amin ma chel ene me di ne te tek ni ene miro telo lobo wa. En mono en no tami ena nga me telo wa te tek la bon to erwa.
And the leaders should not impose themselves on the people.
Lo tela premier go rida te tek iwi luak ni gen gi telo gi la bon to er pa luak.
Both the Bible and the political strategy guides that persuading people is better than imposing yourself on them.
Bible waki pen chek ben weng ki kita wan ko ben junru ni pe mieri rida ni telo luak ento mieri lok tamgi kunai loko kwet gi mot wakul ye tela ni.
In the Bible, it says, "Let your light so shine before men, that they see your good deeds and praise your Father who is in heaven."
Bible waju kamaleng ni kita ini kwa kwere ene mier wek dano nen be kiri pien enuni ena ye wek luak bifoyo word la chwech piri.
Influence people, persuade people by doing good things which they see and appreciate.
Lok tampa luak ki teach ma be wek dano for teach ma megi.
So all these leaders, even now, the ones who try to manipulate, to intimidate, you are really like Amin.
Do amiro cheko wun dano o weng ma wunu ni wun lutela ma o dio dana dia o kwalo kui o ronyo dano wun weng kid wu roma ki kiramin.
Here, I have got good testimony here.
Amir moko chaden tin kamana ti yeni.
In many elections, northern Uganda was not voting for us.
Paul kuyo weng kumalme Uganda no makwak pegibola kui.
I think at one time we were getting 12%.
Kawi upo no ka kui dong duong no kai kom kui mia jel no gwa no apari o keken.
In 2011, it went up a bit. It was much better that time.
Mwagali bario kapara chel kuina olo mede manona.
But NRM continued working for northern Uganda, whether they voted for us or they didn't vote for us.
Ento one machalo NRM pe waberu nyap wa mede ke teach piluak me kumalme Uganda. Kari bedu no pegi boli wakui.
March tie.
Winyu enu electricity.
So we brought electricity all the way from Lira up to here.
Wakubu mach me wakilira o wakany kama wano tiye.
Because when the NRM electricity was ending in Lira.
Karema wano bini lodge o no maj electricity get ko lira.
Whether the people voted for us or they didn't, no, you take the electricity.
Wano wache kari kiboli wakui, unyope kiboli wakui, wangua wabetero maj.
Schools,
Gangkwan,
health centers,
Otyat,
water.
P.
That's how we were able to eliminate guinea worm here in northern Uganda, because it was coming through water from swamps.
Mena ye kito weko walwenyo kwere kum tuo cho enu. Piano no tuo ni aki kum piman maberi togoni.
Yo maber.
Good roads.
Like this one here.
Chalo man en mawuno wore ye me binu kanye.
So after some time,
La chen,
the Wanyankole say, I had told you that imagery where somebody threw dried meat at a dog, and the dog ran away thinking that it is a stone. But later on it discovered to know it's not a stone, it is a meat.
Don kita wano beda tero kwere jami, karibedu no pegi boli wa kui, ero wano beda tim jema bejo. Menu pore ki charo lok, mati bod Banyankole. Ni la cho mo yamo bayo riu tuo bod guok. Guoko yuayo ngweju no tami guok la gweng. Kadong la chendo po ni karo na itiga riu.
So after many years, people in the north said, Yoweri Museveni maber.
Inge mwaka mapol jome kumalo Uganda me Uganda dongu pola chen ni kara Yoweri Museveni dano mabe.
NRM maber.
Gupola chen ni NRM kara be.
Apoyo Ruak May Northern Uganda for Queer Maber this time. Thank you so much.
Thank you Northern Uganda for the overwhelming support in the last election.
And this was through persuasion, not through imposition.
Mano time pien wano beru kalok kilwak mem kumalo me Uganda mot ento pewa dio luaka dia.
So this was the mistake, mistake number one of Idi Amin.
Ride ni en la tela paluak la bon tuer paluak ena yo beru balpa min na machel.
The second mistake is to use killing.
Pero pa min Mario ena ye nek.
We have fought many wars, as you know.
Walwenyu mapol kita wunu ngeyu kwere.
But we despise killing of people, assassinations.
Ento wano chayo negalany.
If we want to fight, we fight. We fight, and if we kill or we are killed, it is in battle, not killing people.
Kawa mogo tamwa me lweny, chiwa lwenya, no lwenye kome. I dog lweny, mano in ngad ma lwenye kumini, in benetika lweny kwedwa, ento pe wanego negalany.
I have told you some time ago, I have mentioned that one time some of our fighters wanted to assassinate Oito Jok in Nairo Mansion.
Yamchon anabi wachuni, lulweny mogo mabotwa, onogo yogo lok meneko oyiro Jok in Nile Mansion, makumberi don kilwoni serena ni.
Because they were saying, they were even calling it Operation Chichwa. Operation Chichwa.
Onogilwoni Operation Tedo Witch.
That if you kill Oito Jok, you will have beheaded UPC.
O ni kai nego oyiro Jok, noi ingolo ngut UPC yo.
I rejected it.
Akwero la juaj yup enoni.
I cannot find a man in his home and kill him and I say I'm a fighter.
Anpa romo lipe mod meno ngari mo gire ode cha tugi nego neo cha wachi ni an la lweny. Nek makumeno nyimo ine pere.
I think I was assisted also by Christianity, but maybe also by tradition.
Atamu ni ye na machala Kristayo bene okonya ento bene tekwar wa bene pe ye la kodineka noni.
Banyankole regard separate attack as cowardice.
Wan Nyankole lokman me lipu la wera libani kai temo no waneni ni inin la luoro.
Even when you are going to fight somebody and you approach him and he's looking the other way.
Kai o bod ngari mo mai miro lwenyi kome ma eno loko wiego.
Without seeing you.
Kapo neni.
You don't throw the spear.
Pei bayo tongi kome.
You first clear your throat.
Oloke yo odwani manok kito winyo ni. Wego loke.
And he turns.
Kado loke.
And you say, I've come to cut your mother something. You insult him.
Chide binu de wache leb maraj kumeno ni en abinu dong ka keme ke komeni ni.
And you start fighting.
Chidong luen chake no ka yero wek en beno dong kiniga.
And if he doesn't have a stick, you throw him one.
Kachi nono karu do mo tika ngir kenyi bane wek en beno luen kichi nono.
But killing people like this one here.
Nek kita ki nego kwede jana ni luom enini.
Cowardice.
Meno la luora yetemo.
Even if you are fighting for a just cause,
Kari kinetika luen pira ni.
which I mean was not.
Kuna minu no lapine mo pe tien lok me luenye ni no pere.
You must have just aims, but also clean methods of struggle, including fighting.
Miere bed ki tien luen, bedok kiti luenyo kwere, miere bed mano nyuruni in la tek twin.
But I'm glad we avenged the death of all these people.
Ia yom ni wacholo ko pajana ni luomge ki jomo kene weng ma minu nerogi yo me alai.
Not only Ruum, Benichiwanuka, all those people who are being killed by those criminals.
Wacholo ko pajana ni luom Benedicto Kiwanuka ki jomo kene weng ma ki nerogi kita ki nero kwa jana ni luome.
They thought they would succeed, but I'm glad we took part in making sure that they failed.
Lunero no gutamoni give chobo mirige.
So
Ento wano di uchwinywa wajoro gero.
we are now here celebrating his sacrifice.
Tindong wano tika kwero diere pajana ni luom.
And as you heard, the plans are underway to build a nice center here to commemorate his contribution, but also develop this area.
Winyu ki itwu yop mabejo matie pe don kaberuman chalo kaberumeni po pe diere pajana ni luom.
And as you heard the minister telling you, they are doing their master plan. Once it is ready, they will tell us the cost, and we start. We start in any way possible.
Winyu lok pa minister ma ethics jami weng meno kwano kore ke kore. Teke dong wano no chena di me mete wano bicha oti chot.
But of course, you know we shall do it because we have done Namugongo for the Catholics, we have done Namugongo for the Protestants, we have done Munyonyo. We always can't fail. We shall manage.
Yopo kaberuman po beloyo wa pien wununge ni dong watimu Namugongo, pi Katoli watimu Namugongo, pi Protestanti watimu in Munyonyo bene. Man miro bedla nyut ma jiyo chwinyu ni wabe chako ticheni dok wabe chobo.
I'm surprised to hear that there are still cattle rustling in East Acholi.
Awinyu ki umada ni ojong futika yelo Acholi makunyao.
I'm going to take interest, and as you remember when we met in Barregi some years ago, we were able to we shall get solutions. There's no reason why that thing cannot be completely ended.
Ana bekeme ki pero enoni tuo ni dong wachako nyero abekeme kwere yate wangunonge.
I have already thanked the people of northern Uganda for Queer Mabel for voting well.
Anda foi wo luak me kumalme Uganda pi bola kui kichwinya chel.
So where we are going now, we want to get rid of poverty in the homes.
Dongi no dong ene meke chan man madong korma liel.
We have already involved many homes in the money economy.
Wano mete ni ikingang weng lukingang chak gudu chente.
By independence, only 9% of the people were in the money economy.
Karma Uganda no loj kene piera bichel weario no kom luak me Uganda mia chela bungwene kene no mako chene chingi.
When I checked in 2013, only 32% were in the money economy.
Mwagali bario kapa we dek ono Pasen apara dek ken kom annual me Uganda mia chel no apara dek ken e gudu chene.
That's why I brought in the army.
Enuni ayo weko akelu moñ weko koñ kora.
And the army distributed seedlings and so on.
Moño poko kodi ki jem mukene makonyo lufu.
But and they did a good job because the people in the money economy, the percent went to 61%.
Monyo tiu matek weko kumbe dongwate percent piera bichelu ya chel.
But I heard there was still 39% outside the money economy.
Ento chunya chueni percent pia deka bungwen food pegi gudu chene.
That's why we brought PDM.
PTN loke none wachako program makiluone PDM.
I hear now the people outside the money economy are now 30% only.
Anyang dongi joma pe gudu chene dong percent piera dek keken.
70% are in the money economy.
Percent piera bero dongi mako chene chingi.
We are going to ensure that all the 30% join the money economy and we get rid of poverty in our country.
Tama ki yopa weng tieni luakme Uganda weng percent mia chel gugud chene I chingi bedok wariem chan magichelo.
Finally, when I was coming here, my staff reminded me that I had made a pledge of 60 million shillings to the priests here.
Lokama gike dong tieni mana tiga donyo kan jomatiu boragu poiwe ani yamana bichike ni abi million piera bichel bot jomage tiu ikanicha.
I still have that debt.
Banya eni futie wiaba.
My staff, please give this to the bishop.
Unjo mauti office mamega banya eno ni tin pa be dok mapea cholo. Uke logo yor.
And then I will take it there. And when we were coming, Mama and myself had some apoyos for the church.
Maatika binu bene an kachel ke mama wayubo foj mamegwa bot kanicha.
The one of the basket, please come and take our apoyos.
Karibedi nanen icha memmi mot uno ana pere alego ni okela dugo memot wek an kachel ke mama wakeriye mich mamegwa bene.
No.
Adugo tikwe.
Oh, they said the protocol has already taken the money. Very good. Very good. So that leaves me with only one banya. That
man olodong ogonya o ki banya chel.
That there was a pledge of 2 trucks.
Abi cheke bene ni abi mio lori ario.
I don't know to whom. They will tell you, so they will be in touch with the bishop, they will bring the 2 trucks in two weeks.
Amiro cheke kani mapia chabira rio karo ni chake tin no lori rio ni o kany don wonwa bishop kitara ena ye kibike mekweri wek lori ubini ching.
Apoyo matek rubanga kony.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.